This question asks you to create an application to calculate the gallons you used for paint some area. So in this one, because you don't have any download, but the file name should be paint calculator.java. So if I were you, I'm going to open the Notepad++ and set the language to be Java. Then I can define public paint, then curly braces, right? Because this one asks you to enter something from the keyboard, so you have to import Java util scanner, right? And you should have a main method, which is public. This is the definition of a main method by Java, and you cannot change anything except that args. This is the only thing you can change. So we can explain that later, right? So this one, they want you to create another method called compute area. So which means after the main method, you have to have another one. This one should be return double call compute. And this one is set, you need to take 3 parameters. Length, width, and depth. They are all double. They should be all double data type. The last one should be height. Okay. And ask you inside this calculate area, you have to have another method called calculate compute gallons. So you have to have another one. I think this one also return double. Gallons. And this one return, this one take a parameter called the area. The area you calculate from this one. Right? So this is the 3 method they figured out. So in this method, in the calculate area method, you have to, based on the 3 parameter, you calculate the area and the call, and based on how much each gallon can paint. But no, depending on how much each gallon cost, you have to do the calculation. In other words, and return the price, calculate the area. It asks you to return the price to the main method. So in other words, in this method, you have to have a this, because the price is $32 defined here, $32 per gallon. So you define as a constant, which is the final. So calculate area. Area equals to length multiply height height multiply to width multiply height must multiply to. This is the rectangle room, and don't count ceiling and the floor. So what you need to do is you only need to to paint the 4 walls, and 2 length multiply height, and 2 width multiply height. And you declare a garden and a price variable, which is used. Garden equals to compute garden. You got it from here. You got it from this one, right? So and you need to print. You need this many gallons and calculate the price. The price, this is $35. We define $32, $32, and you train the price. For the computer gallons, you have an area, and you have each gallon you can print, you can paint like a 350 square feet. So what you can do is, in this file, define that 350 as a constant, and the gallon should be the area divided by the 355. So that means how many gallons you need, right? And this one gonna return the gallons to this method. And in your main method, you have to prompt the 3 value, which is length, width, right? So in other words, you need to define a scanner and input the 3 value plus the prompt, which means you give some prompt, enter the length, give some prompt, enter the width, give some prompt, enter the height. And you know that I need 3 double value, length, width, and height, right? And then also you need a double value price. So the price is going to be equals to you the this one you defined equals to compute area. You pass that 3 length, width, and height, and then you need to display the price, right? Display the price dependent. So this is what you got, 3 method, and the main method called compute area. Compute area gonna return, don't return price. You display the price, and inside the computer area you call get computer gallons based on the area and the 350 to calculate how many gallons you need, right? So everything is good. You save this file to, in my case, is I'm gonna go to my download folder. I save this file as the class name. The file name has to be the class name, which is let me see, paint calculator class .java. Then you go to your paint, you compile it. No error, beautiful. Paint, run the class. Length 100, 250. This is the price, right? So this is how to work on this project. but you haven't done yet because we need the Mind tab to uh, auto-grade it for us. So we copy the file and paste it here and run. Beautiful. We don't have a error. 250. Everything looks good. So I can click on this one and run and check. See it how does it like it? Oh, error. No such file. What? If this happened, cause some test, run Python file. So this is something I think wrong from you're gonna reset your environment. Click on this gear and reset your environment and come back to paste the program again and check it. It happened it happened to me a few times for no reason. Yeah, this I didn't see anything, right? I didn't change anything but reset it. It's working now. Yeah, how to reset? Click on the gear and click on the reset, right? So it's working now. I got a 100 and I can submit, confirm, everything is done. This is how to work on this assignment.